Okay, so this is the kitchen sink and laundry main that we're at the 3-inch coming backwards from the main to the kitchen sink. We've jetted this line. Do you want to help feed this right here? This all looks typical for older cast iron again. Going to have a rough surface, but the pipe is intact and clear, so that's a good thing. Okay, right here there's just a little low spot where there's a tie-in. This is where the laundry sink line and the kitchen sink line join. This should not be an issue there. And then this is all new ABS from when they added the kitchen sink.